Welcome to Agra. We are here to visit one of the 7 wonders of the world, one of the most popular tourist destinations in India, the Taj Mahal.
Hello.
It's Sergio Valencia. And yeah, I think we're kind of a bit too late today, so we're gonna go there tomorrow early in the morning and see the Taj in its glory in the morning light. Should be incredible. But for now, we're walking around Agra trying to find a place to eat. Or maybe
a beer. We want beer.
Yep, we gotta find beers, so maybe find a pub. Most restaurants here probably do serve beer because it's a tourist destination. A lot of people just come here when they want to come to India, they just come to the Taj Mahal or come to Agra. So yeah, so far it's been pretty hectic, but let's see what it's gonna be like. Look at all these little shops.
And it's a 4-hour ride here.
Yep, 4 hours in a bus from Delhi. And the tickets were only 250. And when I checked online for the bus tickets, it were like 400, 500. So yeah, we did the right thing by not booking it online and just coming to the bus station in Delhi, taking the bus for 250. We even got an AC bus for 250, so it was a pretty good deal.
And they never turn the AC on.
Not that they needed to, but I think they did for like 5 minutes.
Yeah,
but that was it. So that's all you get for 250. 5 minutes of aircon. Look at all these souvenir shops. Taj Mahal ticket. For tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
You can buy it now?
No, right now it's closed. You have to come tomorrow.
Then why are you telling us?
Yeah.
Oh,
And if you want to see it right now, you can go the river side. Then you can see behind of Taj Mahal.
Riverside?
On the river side.
How far is it?
It's just hardly 5 minutes.
Where's the sunrise?
Sunrise, he will show you. There's like a tour guide. He will show you sunrise. No problem.
to you.
It's just there.
We'll
He will
find
showing
it.
you. No problem.
Okay, we'll see. Thank you.
Okay. Can I show you?
No, it's okay, we'll find it.
Is it that
I
side?
don't need
Yeah, it's
this side.
Okay.
Okay,
We got
all right.
He's gonna
She
show
don't
us.
wanna. He's a guide, so he's gonna ask for money.
And sir, if you don't mind, maybe come back to the my shop later. He's a good man, sir.
Yeah, he is a good man. He's a very good man.
Maybe at 5 a.m. tomorrow.
And myself, like, I'm 60
Okay.
All right, Lucky.
I get rid of that card somehow.
Oh, this is the Agra Fort, I think. So that's the fort. We didn't come from here, though. Where are we at?
Eastgate.
That's the... It's a police car. You can't get in that, sir.
We can't.
We can. We gotta break some laws. So that's the Agra Fort, also known as the Red Fort, for obvious reasons. This gate's closed. And what do we have here? It's a little park.
We would have parked our scooters.
Oh yeah. But we didn't
See, there was
get
no
our
parking
scooters.
at that hostel.
Hello, monkeys of Agra. Look at that one hanging out.
Little tiny tails.
Look at this little guy behind bars. There's so many of them. Right by the fort. There's 2 on the road.
Babies.
Little baby monkey. Look at this one. Acrobat. Hello. He's trying to hang on.
Stay too long because the fucking one got
Yeah.
pissed off at me the other day.
Yeah. You got one attacking you in fucking, what was it? Jaisalmer. So right now we're walking towards Taj Mahal. And even though it's closed, we want to go around and see what we can find and probably find the best spot for sunrise tomorrow morning. Which I think is going to be across the river, but we'll see what our options are. But walking down the road right next to the Agra Fort. More monkeys. Look at them bite into whatever. Hello. Hey, what's up? ASI, which is the Archaeological Survey of India. The organization that protects and maintains these forts.
Jump at me
Yeah, they might.
when monkeys attack.
Here we have the river down there. The holiest and the dirtiest river of all, the Yamuna. You can already tell how clean it is from here. And there we have the Taj Mahal. We've been walking right next to the Taj Mahal the whole time. That wasn't the Agra fort, that was the Taj Mahal. Look at that thing. Wow. There are people up there, so it's not really closed yet. Right by the Taj Mahal. Look at how massive that thing is. And here's the Yamuna River. Little monkeys running around. The most polluted river in the world. At least one of the most polluted rivers in the world. You can actually take one of those boats and go across the river, get a better view of the Taj Mahal. Well, what a beautiful sunset. Look at all those crows eating all the trash down there. Sometimes you also get body parts flown in or floating in the river because there are ceremonies done across Yamuna where you would burn the bodies and throw the ashes down the river. So look at that. The sun setting behind the beautiful Taj Mahal. So tomorrow morning we're gonna go inside, and I think pulling off the brown privilege trick is going to be worth it here more than any other place that we've been to, because the tickets here are 50 rupees for Indians and 1100 for foreigners. Can you believe that? 1100 bucks. That's a ripoff. Definitely not worth it. So we're going to get in for 50 rupees and not pay the foreigner price. The discrimination of Taj Mahal. Don't fucking give in to that. But yeah, look at that. This is the Yamuna River, the holy river. Look at the condition of this river, the state of this river. One of the most polluted rivers. There's everything in here. Plastic, garbage, trash, dead bodies. And right over there, behind you guys, is a dog eating a little water buffalo. So, and that's right next to the Taj Mahal. This is the real Taj Mahal, the real experience of Agra. But look at that light.
Wait, I want to see that.
Right outside of Taj Mahal, you have all these touts coming up to you trying to sell you souvenirs and asking you to come in their restaurants and whatnot. So, well, that's to be expected, I guess, from a touristy little place. But at least they have the area around Taj Mahal well maintained. So all these roads are pretty clean compared to the rest of the city.